Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am playing the quest for the diamond play button. So yeah. Okay. I feel really claustrophobic right now. Okay. Hall, roles, maps. Diamond play button, the quest will begin. What are the roles? Okay, that is a lot of okay, I hope I can remember that. Begin. Everything's all black. The quest for the diamond. So, like, and if you don't know, YouTubers, they get, like, play buttons, the amount of subscribers they get, and, like, the diamond is, like, a really good one. Oh, in the middle of the forest, there's a person named Henry. He has a very famous Minecraft channel. And last month, he reached the million sub-miners, which means he now owns a silver and gold play buttons, but not a diamond play button. Henry must find a way to get the diamond play button. I have been making videos 2 days. I have been playing videos for 2 days straight without any rest. Better rest about making videos. My eyes are about to explode. Green room. I have slowness. My fog is at normal. That's like if like I don't know. Okay, I feel sick. How do I clean? How do I clean? Clean room. Block placed. After 2 hours. Oh, I feel normal again. Oh, look, my desk is all clean. Signed, Towboy. That was exhausting. I wonder if I will get my diamond plate. Maybe I should get it personally from the Minecraft company. Hopefully that should not be long. Go outside. Black placed. I wanna go outside. Ooh, I'm outside. Oh, we have a little cabin in the woods. What's this way? Call taxi. Taxi, taxi. This is when he This is like the. It's closed right here. Okay, let's walk though. Oh, I'm already there. Oh no. Oh no. This is gonna take a long time. Wait, I think I can. Wait, no, that's just my render distance. Wait, I think I can see the ends. I can see the ends. You know, that's just another turn. I'm gonna end on peaceful. After 4.3 days. Oh my gosh, that was exhausting. John, talk to John. That was exhausting. At least without a space. I am already in the MineTube company. Talk to John. Black placed. Hi there. What can I do for you? Can I get my diamond play button now? I'm sorry, but you shall have to wait for 1 more year to get it. Why? The company can't give it to you yet because there's another MineTuber first, and it's hard to make one, you know. I guess I have to sneak in and grab it for myself. I'm gonna break in. Wait, why did I just do that? I should probably look for a vent. I just got a vent breaker. I should probably look for a vent. A vent? Iron bars. Am I supposed to be in there or in here? Wait, so a vent? That's the end of the road. Why is it just a sudden end of road? Oh, here it is. I would have been looking around for hours if I didn't find this. Okay. Why do they have to give me a wooden one? No, I think I need to place them back. Oh, I can't place them. Oh my gosh. What? This place is very creepy. Oh my gosh, is that a zombie? Oh, I don't think I was supposed to win on peaceful. So I think it was supposed to be a zombie. Well, ignore that and Bet will come here for a test subject. Okay, so I think there was supposed to be a zombie in there, but I kind of set it to peaceful. I want to look through everything. Ooh, potions. I think I might need these. The only thing I could brew? No. I'm gonna break in here. See if there's... Because if I used to brew in this, like, make fire resistance or something, I'm out. So this can break stained glass panes. There's stained glass panes. Is it on the ground anywhere? I wanna go here again. Oh, stained glass panes. Oh. I wanna see what secrets he's holding in here. Oh, I actually was supposed to do that. So this can be placed on the wall. To sorting system. To business section. Oh, I got the key to this section. Bloop. What is this? So this is where the diamond play button is. Oh no, because these aren't stains. Oh no. What? Oh, do I have to do it all over again now? What am I even doing? Oh, now I'm one block away. Oh, because these all push it. Wait, does this get closer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's 4 blocks away. One, two, three, 4. What happens if I do this one? How is this supposed to get me the diamond play button? What? What? What did I just do? I just did some. I think somehow I'm actually making progress. Nope, I just reset it. Wait, do I make progress if I just do this? Oh. 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 Okay. I'm gonna reset this. Okay, so I got this forward. Okay, you know what? I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna go to game mode 1. I'm sorry, but there's probably some way I can do this. But I'm just gonna do this. I'm sorry. Sorry. But I have no idea. Wait. Can I go to game mode 2? Yeah, so I can still break these. Oh no, this breaks iron bars. I'm sorry, guys. And I know there's probably some really, really complicated way to do that, but... Or maybe it's you. I finally have it! Looks like my work is done here. And that is how Henry got his first and only diamond play button, and Henry lived happily ever after. Oh, that was a fun short map. Oh, I love that. That was really good, even though it was kind of short. Is it a cool map? Yeah. Wait, what is this? Check out my other maps. Thanks for playing my map. First map with talking voice. Oh. Oh, I'm in spectator mode. What is this? TM. Yeah. That's cool. Oh my gosh. I'm really sorry I couldn't actually get the voices working, but it wouldn't really matter anyway because something with my computer that doesn't work with that. You couldn't hear it. I could, but you guys could. I'm sorry. But okay. This is my house. There's no gold. I have to do this. Diamond. There it is. Did you see that masterpiece? I have all of them now. I'm so happy. There's just a random tree here. Oh wait, no, that's to keep me from going anywhere. Oh, I really, really like this map. Oh, this was the road. Oh, this goes really far away. This goes really, really far away. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, it teleports me here because it was a command block. Huh. I just want to know how I do this, because like this, there's probably some really complicated way to do this. Or maybe it's the simplest way ever. I don't know. Because like I was making progress, but then I failed. Wait, so this is the business station? Yeah, okay. Oh, no, and it's right next to this place. And then after this was a really cool map. Well, anyway, guys, I'll see you dudes in the next video. So it looks like for now. Bye bye. Yep.